Hi guys, Bisdak Tech Review po at your service. Nandito na naman po tayo para mag-review ng isang device for our non-smart TV sa bahay. Especially yung bago-bago lang or kakabili lang natin before at hindi naman talaga natin need mag-upgrade to the new smart TVs in the market na napakamahal in the first place. This is one of the device out there na pwedeng gawing smart TV ang any TV na meron HDMI ports, either LCD, LED, etc. Ito ay ang miboxs 4K HDR Android TV 9.0. Ito naman yung quick look ng product details ng produktong ito. Now, for the features. Isa-isahin natin ang pinagmamalaki nila and we will be the verdict sa review time kung totoo. 1. Powered by Android 9.0 for superior functionality. miboxs is powered by Android 9.0. Easy to use and supports voice search and Chromecast as well as delivering world of content the whole family can enjoy. 2. Access tons of content. Compatible with thousands of apps, giving you access to tons of premium video services and a constant stream of fresh new content. 3. Chromecast built-in. SmartCast dive into a bigger, better viewing experience. Wireless screen mirroring at the tap of a button. Mirror almost any device including phone, tablet, or laptop. Call and text without interrupting what's playing on your TV and high-speed streaming and HD video playback. 4. Google Assistant. With a Google Assistant, you can quickly access entertainment, get answers, and control devices around your home. Just press the mic or Google Assistant button on your remote to get started. Enjoy entertainment and get answers and control your smart home devices using this feature. 5. High Clarity 4K HDR. Features the latest 4K HDR technology and high-speed 4K processing for up to 60 FPS playback. Enjoy an ultra-high definition, lifelike viewing experience. Disclaimer: requires an HDR TV and HDR-enabled video content. 6. Premium audio. Puts you in the action. Dolby and DTS deliver crisper, three-dimensional surround sound. 7. High-performance storage capacity. Install tons of awesome apps, watch extended cuts, and play more games while enjoying faster performance and stability. Because of its quad-core CPU, 3+2 core GPU, 2GB DDR3 RAM, and 8GB eMMC flash. 8. Supports wired and wireless connections. Supports Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and USB connections, delivering super fast transfer speeds. Easily connects to a portable or shared hard drive. Play your favorite movies, music, games, and more. Enjoy high-resolution video and high bitrate audio playback with superior reliability using the HDMI 2.0A. Download and transfer HD video and large data files quickly and easily with its Wi-Fi 2.4 GHz to 5 GHz capability. Using the Bluetooth 4.2, wirelessly connect game controllers, headphones, speakers, and other Bluetooth-enabled devices. 9. Get up and running in 3 simple steps. 1. Attach miboxs to TV. 2. Connect to internet. 3. Start streaming. What's inside the box? 1 miboxs, 1 remote control, 1 power adapter, 1 HDMI cable, and 1 user manual. Batteries are not included when I purchase it from the seller. At ito yung actual unboxing of my 2 miboxs that I bought separately dahil I tested first the product before buying the second one para sa kabilang kwarto naman. Review time! Anong masasabi ko sa miboxs 4K HDR Android TV 9.0? Sulit ba ito bilhin or hindi? Isa-isahin natin yung features nito. 1. Powered by Android 9.0 for superior functionality. No doubt with the version, what I know it also do upgrades automatically if meron ng bagong version for the device. 2. Access tons of content. Of course, meron na itong kasamang pre-installed applications such as Netflix, Prime Video, etc. But you can also download using the Google Play Store. Here's the actual video na ginawa ko that I downloaded HBO Go sa second device, while sa first device medyo marami na such as Spotify and I Want TFC. Three. Chromecast built-in. I was able to use it using my phone and try it sa laptop. It works as well using Google Chrome, which existing din sa Microsoft Edge using the cast search features. 4. Google Assistant. In just one push of a button sa remote, it will activate. Pero not using it at all kasi hindi ko naman talaga siya nagagamit. Possible this can be used for houses or office na medyo advanced na lahat ng devices are connected sa Wi-Fi or the so-called as smart devices. Magsasalita ka lang to turn it on and off any devices na which ganun na ka-high-tech. 5. High Clarity 4K HDR. Sa disclaimer pa lang, depende sa TV na paggagamitan or kakabitan. Tested using an old LED and medyo new version na TV, kitang-kita yung difference sa quality or linaw. 6. Premium Audio. Same din. This one depends kung saan mo ito i-connect talaga. So don't expect such feature if hindi kaya ng receiver. So, the better the receiver, for example a TV or a Bluetooth speaker, the better the audio output. 7. High performance storage capacity. For the performance, no problem. It is smooth when switching to different applications. Example, nanonood ka ng Netflix then gusto mo YouTube na lang. Wala siyang lag. While for the storage capacity, haven't maximized it naman. But my recommendation, just install the apps that you need. Parang cellphone lang din yan. Babagal yan if sobrang daming app na tumatakbo sa background. 8. Supports wired and wireless connections. No problem with the connectivity wirelessly, which is dependent again sa Wi-Fi na gamit natin. For the Bluetooth, wala din problem. Meron lang akong concern kasi hindi ko makita yung settings ng Bluetooth device visibility. Kasi every now and then, if nanonood ako and someone wanted to connect sa miboxs either ng iinis or accidentally using Bluetooth to pair, mag-pop up siya parati to cancel the pairing process so napuputol yung pinapanood ko. I need to test it further regarding this concern na to na possible share ko sa next video. For wired audio connection, kasi meron din itong audio jack output which hindi ko pa na-try and no plans to try it kasi meron na itong Bluetooth at HDMI combined na yung video and audio din doon. So, hindi ko alam kung kailan ko siya magagamit. 9. Get up and running in 3 simple steps. Wala akong problem sa setup kasi para ka lang talagang nag-setup ng bagong Android phone. Ito naman yung actual video ng both miboxs ko from connecting the device sa TV, setup, etc. Now, anong masabi ko sa device na ito? Sulit ba ito bilhin or hindi? Ang sagot ko ay yes. The reason is to those na walang budget to upgrade their entertainment system to a smart one, na which is really mahal naman talaga to upgrade. Gamit ang device na ito, pwede na natin gamitin na gawin ng smart TV ang any TV na merong HDMI port na nasabi ko kanina sa intro. Meron din mga advantages in using this one versus the smart TVs. Isa ay ang number of apps na pwede. In some smart TVs, depende sa brand, meron itong sariling UI na ginagamit na dependent sa update ng brands nila. Ito yung actual video which I tried to search for HBO Go at wala ito sa list of apps nila na available for download. So, if walang update, kung ano lang meron for the said brand, yun at yun lang ang makuha mo na apps. Pero you can also download an APK sa computer and then install mo siya sa smart TV mo, which is another option. Yun nga lang, hassle and not sure kung gagana. Another feature na wala sa ibang smart TV is the Bluetooth functionality which is new lang din. By the way, just an FYI as well, if you have other brands ng Android box na gusto nyo, wala din naman problem. The miboxs since 2020 and 2021 is ranked as top 8 lang. Parating nasa top 1 and top 2 ang Nvidia Shield TV Pro and Amazon Fire TV Cube. Pero ano sa tingin nyo pinagkaiba ng mga ito sa device na ito? Both or other devices na nasa ranking ay napakamahal, doble or sobra pa ang presyo ng mga ito. Sa panahon ngayon medyo nagtitipid tayo, so I think this one would be a better choice. I know many will say made in China product, but almost of the products we're using now are made in China din naman. Another advantage using Android boxes versus the smart TVs, we can transfer it to any TV sa bahay natin or bring it anywhere. During vacation, staycation sa hotel, so magdala ka na din ng HDMI cable which is kasama na nito. So mapapanood pa rin natin lahat ng movies na gusto natin. Price check. Mas mura if bibilin ito online gamit ang Xiaomi flagship store nila kaysa sa mga physical stores sa malls. The current price is 2,791 pesos. If bibilin sa mismong physical store sa mall, around 3,500 pesos. Dahil they need to pay the people and rent of course. Pero meron advantages if bibilin natin sa physical store. You can test it first and if sira ito, mapapalitan agad, hindi tulad online. If online, we need to wait for the shipment to arrive and if sira ito, you need to ship it back as well. So, pili na lang kayo. Convenience in buying it online or assurance buying it in the physical stores na medyo mahal nga lang. So, it will be your choice. Ito naman yung teaser video ng next possible gadget or device na review namin. Ito ay ang Gadget Hunter 618 Wired Gaming Keyboard and Mouse Set. Backlit multi-shortcuts sequence, 3200 DPI with 16 backlighting effects and pen phone holder. Okay, dyan na naman tatapos yung review natin sa miboxs 4K HDR Android TV 9.0. Sana may natutunan kayo sa review namin na product na ito. Possible, we'll make some changes in the near future the way we review it pero hindi namin tatanggalin yung features and specifications na provided ng mismong brand ng product. Please don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and click the notification button para updated kayo sa next videos namin. Ako po pala si Cesar ng Bisdak Tech Review. Salamat mga Ka-Bisdak, proud Bisdak for life. And please stay safe as always.